Hi children, how are you all? Okay, let's welcome back in our SS lecture, and we have chapter 5, domains of the earth. In our earlier that lecture, we have seen that the continents of the world, they are that Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. We have seen in detail. Now we'll see that hydrosphere. You know well that our Earth is a unique planet and it has only atmosphere that can all living beings can live. Three realms are present on the earth, that atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Now we'll see about the hydrosphere. The earth is called the blue planet. You know well, our earth is called that blue planet because that 71 percentage area of the earth is covered with the water, and only 29 percentage area is covered with that land. So 71 percentage area is covered with water, so it looks blue, it is called blue planet. The part of the earth which has that covered, which is covered with water, is called that hydrosphere. The part of the earth which is covered with the water bodies, that is called that hydrosphere, and it looks blue color from the space. So it consists of that oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice sheets, and underground water is also present, and the water vapors present in the atmosphere, it is called water bodies. About 97 percentage of the water is found in the oceans and the seas, and it is salty. 97 percentage water is there, it is present in the world, means in the oceans, and there where it is already salty. So earth is called that blue planet, and well that we'll see about that hydrospheres. So in that ocean is there. Oceans are the largest water bodies, and which comprise that nearly 90 percentage. Ocean is the largest body and which comprise nearly that 90 percentage of the total area of the earth it covers and with water. So they are important source of water. Oceans are the important source of water, of that moisture, and is present in atmosphere and provide evidence to the that in plants and animals. Oceans are helpful. It provides us that minerals, and it is the home of many aquatic animals and plants. Animals and plants are present in these oceans. There are 5 oceans are there, and they helpful to us in many ways. It provides us that minerals, seafoods, and it is the home of many aquatic animals and plants. So there are 5 oceans are there. They are that the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and that Southern oceans are there. In this first of all, we will see that Pacific Ocean. So the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is there. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, and it is circular in shape, and in shape of circular, and it covers nearly one third of the globe. One third part of the globe it covers and is in that circular shape. Almost the half, the total area, half of the total area of that land, and the sea is covered by it. Almost that half area is covered by. The deepest point, it is the deepest ocean, and the deepest point in this that ocean is there. The Mariana Trench is the deepest point is present in this ocean. It lies under this sea. It is surrounded by the Asia and Australia in the on the west side. It is surrounded by India and Australia in the west side, and the North America, and the South that America on the eastern side. So it contains about 25,000 islands on beach. It has on Pacific Ocean 25,000 islands are present, and it contains, this is the largest that islands on it. Next is there is that Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is there. The S-shaped ocean. Atlantic Ocean is there. It is in English S-shape. The S-shaped ocean is called that Atlantic Ocean, and it is about the half the size of the Pacific Ocean. It is half of the Pacific Ocean. It is the second that largest ocean in the world. It is half of the Pacific Ocean in S shape, and second largest ocean in the world. And Europe and Africa is there, lies on the east side, and while the North America and the South America lies on the western sides. And some of the largest natural that harbors and trading ports are that present on that islands are present in this that ocean, that Atlantic Ocean. Next is that is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the warmest and the third largest ocean in the world. Indian Ocean, it is the warmest and the third largest ocean in the world. It is the only ocean named after a name of country, and it is the only ocean named after a country, India. The Asian continents lies. The Asian continents are there. It lies to the northern, while it open ended in south. That Africa lies in the west side of that. South Africa, it lies to its west, while the Australia is there. The continent Australia is there. It lies in the east, and India is situated at the top of that ocean. The top part is ocean that India, and Australia side, it is in west side. Then it is nearby the South Africa also. Then the Bay of Bengal, the Red Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Red Sea, and the Pacific Gulf and the Arabian Sea are linked to this ocean. So the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, that Pacific Oceans that are linked with these oceans, and the Arabian Sea also linked. It is the third largest ocean, and the name after country. It is that surrounded by that that north side, that of Australia, and and South America. Then India is at the top position of it. Okay, next is that is Arctic Ocean. The smallest ocean, the smallest ocean in the world, that is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean, that is the smallest ocean in the world, and is surrounded by, it is central around that North Pole is there, and is mostly surrounded by the land. North Pole is there, surrounded by most of that lands, and is situated in the Arctic Circle. It is situated in the Arctic Circle, the north part of Asia, Europe, and South America, that's surrounded by these oceans. It is frozen in the winter, while in summer that the ice melt and floats in the form of that iceberg. It froze in the winter time, and in summer that ice melt, so it result that icebergs, and this is the smallest ocean in the world. Next is there, that is Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean, or the Antarctic Ocean, surrounded by the continents of that Antarctica. It is surrounded by the continents of Antarctica and the Pacific, Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans merge to it and merge into it. Now we'll see that the importance of these oceans are there. The oceans, they help us to make the climate of a place moderate, and it makes the climate of any place moderate. They are the homes of many sea that animals, means aquatic animals and plants. It is for used for tourist attractions. It is rich with the minerals and varieties. It provides us that seafoods, and it is water is a necessary source of energy. It is a source of energy. Next thing we'll see that atmosphere. Atmosphere is there, that we'll see. The third that blanket of the earth, that surrounded the earth, the thin blanket layer surrounded the earth, it is called atmosphere. It is the like a blanket, the layer of that air present around the world. It protects the human beings. It is called atmosphere. Its exact thickness is not known. The exact thickness of atmosphere is not known, but since there are boundary is present in different layers. So the compositions of atmospheres are there. The most of the abundant gases found in this layer, like nitrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen makes around 78% of the total atmosphere. It is the layer, it's surrounded by the many gases. Nitrogen is there, it is 78%, and while the oxygen makes 21%, and remaining that 1% is that argon, carbon dioxide, neon, ozone, helium, methane is all that present in this that atmosphere. That structure of the atmosphere, we'll see the structure of atmosphere. What is the structure of atmosphere? How it built? So the atmosphere can be divided into 5 layers are there on the basis of that compositions, that density and temperature. It is divided into 5 layers. The 5 layers here, that troposphere, mesosphere, then thermosphere, exosphere, and that stratosphere. So the stratosphere is there in this first. It is the layer of the atmosphere, and weather is there present, like activities take place of weather, and it is about 8 kilometers from the earth surface to the 8 kilometers, and the almost 19% of total air is present in this layer. Then stratosphere is there, the structure of atmosphere. Stratosphere is there. The ozone layer is there, ozone gas. It is present in this layer. It helps us to the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Then mesosphere is there. It's the layer, mostly that meteors burns. It helps us for the radioactive, which is that signals will come from satellite and help us. It is useful for the flights, and the thermosphere. It is exactly local that hot layer. It is the hot layer of the atmosphere and presence of hot gases in that. And the exosphere is there. That exosphere is present the outermost layer of the earth, very hottest, and beyond this layer, the atmosphere merges into the space. So space is there, that this layer is present. Then biosphere is called. That biosphere is a very narrow zone where that lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere are present in biosphere. So all forms of life are present in biosphere, such as human beings, plants, animals, and microorganisms. All are present in biosphere. So these are the oceans of the world, and these are the informations given about these all things. I hope you understand these all things well. Okay, thank you, children. Bye.